How to add canonical tags. Canonical tags are essential for SEO, especially if you are running a WordPress website that tells search engine which version of a page is the original and which are the duplicates. It prevents Google from penalizing you for the duplicate content and helps you rank higher. The easiest way to add canonical tags in WordPress is by using an SEO plugin. Popular choices like Yoast SEO and Rank Math make this super simple. Let's look at the Yoast SEO. The website I'm using is a free plan, so I'll not be able to show you the whole process of installing Yoast SEO plugin. However, I will explain you the process about how you can use the canonical tags. When you are editing a post or a page, scroll down to the Yoast meta box. So what will it look like? So if you go to one of these posts, maybe let's go to the all post and let's see this one. So if you have your Yoast SEO plugin installed, what you can see over here is a meta box, and on the meta box click on the advanced tab. Then you will see a field label canonical URL. Here you can manually enter the canonical URL if you need to override the default. Usually Yoast SEO smartly sets the canonical URL to the page own URL, which is exactly what you want in most cases. So often you won't need to touch this setting. Rank Math and other SEO plugins have very similar options. Just look for canonical URL within your post setting. Use this plugin within the post setting. Using a plugin is recommended method for most WordPress users. It's quick, efficient, and help ensure your canonical tags and correctly implemented across your site. By using canonical tags, you are giving the search engine clear signals, improving your SEO, and helping the content get found. So that was a whole idea about how you can add a canonical tags in the WordPress. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.